Why are there not more people talking about 0 days? These hidden threats can tear through even the toughest defenses. If you're in IT, it's time to pay attention. 0-day vulnerabilities are software flaws that attackers discover before the vendor does, meaning there's literally 0 days to patch them. Hackers race to exploit these gaps, often targeting high-value systems while defenders scramble to catch up. For IT professionals, 0 days are a nightmare scenario. Standard defenses like firewalls and antivirus are usually useless until a patch is released. That's why threat intelligence and real-time monitoring are your best friends. Watch for unexpected behavior, strange outbound connections, or sudden privilege escalations. These can be signs something's wrong. So, what can you actually do? First, keep all systems updated. Even if it won't protect against 0 days directly, it limits overall risk. Second, follow a least privilege model. The fewer permissions, the less damage an attacker can do. And finally, invest in tools that detect anomalies, not just known threats. Remember, 0 days aren't just a Hollywood plot device, they're real and they're relentless. Stay proactive, stay alert, and you'll be ready to face the unknown.